Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys are doing great today wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel. You are highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Girls watchers are also welcome. This reading is not a personal reading. If it is not your energy, just leave it. Okay? Take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest. Because this is not for all Scorpios. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Divine God and Goddess of all beings. Divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What the Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies. Who is coming towards Scorpio? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. I would like to remind you guys to please use your own discernment. And for some of you guys, it could not be your energy. If it is not your story, just leave it, okay? And in Tarot, the energy could also be a reversal. And it doesn't matter if you are male or a female. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio? Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Who is coming towards Scorpio? Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. Let me see the possible energy for this reading. First, we have the Death. This is the current situation in this reading. Major Arcana 13. We have the 8 of Swords as your challenge. The 5 of Swords as the spiritual lesson. The Knight of Wands is the past situation. The present is the 6 of Wands. Wow. The 5 of Wells, which is the 5 of Pentacles, is the future. The Moon is your attitude. The 5 of Wands is the outside influence. The 4 of Cups is your hopes and fears. The outcome is the Page of Wells, which is the Page of Pentacles. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your readings for today, guys. The first foundation of your reading is the Death. This is the current situation. For some of you guys, you already transformed into a higher level. This is an spiritual transformation. And others of you, this is a powerful new beginnings in your life. Because you manage to lift the people behind you. Those people who are no longer serve you in the past. You shed your skin. Those people who causes too much pain and burdens in your heart and in your mind. You already gave death. You are not the same person before. This is a metamorphosis of your life. A huge transformation and rebirth. You are a new person. The past is behind you. Because you gave death to the situation in the past. It could also be that you are dealing with a fellow Scorpio. Others of you, there could be an upheaval, a loss, and a separation happen in this scenario. Because for most of you, you managed to transform, to accept what has happened in the past, and to start a new life. This is the new you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You are the phoenix rising from the ashes. And this is the current situation. You take back your power and you are ready to collect what belongs to you. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Eight of Swords. This is the challenge in this reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini or an air sign. Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. I feel like somebody here is feeling stuck. It could also be a group of people. They are feeling tied up. They are feeling isolated. They are feeling confused. This person or group of people could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. In the past, this group of people wants to isolate you, wants to blindfold you, wants to trap you. But in the end, they taste their own medicine. And that's why they are now feeling stuck and isolated. Because they couldn't believe that you left them behind. You transform into a higher level, internal transformation. This is a spiritual transformation. And you managed to leave them behind. And they couldn't believe this group of people. Others of these people, they are now facing a spiritual judgment because of what they have done to you in the past. They forgot that you are the Death and the Tarot cards. You are the transformation and rebirth. You are the creation and the destruction. They forgot that you can start from zero to hero. And that's why for some of them guys, they are now having a mental anguish because they are facing the spiritual court, a spiritual judgment. Now they couldn't move. They are feeling stuck. Because actually in the past, they want you to be like this. To be stuck. To be isolated. And they ended up with their own isolation. Take only what fits in your story. This is the challenge here in this reading. It's because I feel like there are still people who wants to confuse you, who wants to blindfold you. Because this group of people are feeling defeated because you leave them behind. Could be that you are dealing with a Gemini or a group of people. Your challenge here is to liberate your thoughts because there are people who want to block your third eye chakra. And this group of people are doing any strategy in order for you to get stuck. This is your challenge in this reading, remember. Because they couldn't accept that you leave them behind. that you are transformed into a higher level. Others of you, it could also be that these people in the past tried to destroy you. They want to victimize you. And now they are feeling victimized by you because you leave them behind. You are no longer dealing with them anymore. You get that. This is your challenge because there are still people who wants to play mind games on you. Who wants to sabotage your new beginning. The universe advises you here to be very strategic. To be very analytical, logical, and skeptical. Because the truth is, this is only the conflict between your mind and your heart. This is only a temporary scenario for some of you. If this group of people or person wants to blindfold you, because they are still in their energy to victimize you because they hate that you transform into a higher level, that you are no longer dealing with them anymore. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You need to liberate your thoughts. Because there are still people who want to block your third eye chakra, that you cannot see the truth, in order for you to feel unworthy. They want to hinder your new beginning because they say you that you have power and they don't like it. Take only what fits in your story. And we have here the Five of Swords. This is the spiritual lesson. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. For some of you. Of course, not all of you. This is your spiritual lesson because you learn to surrender your battles to the Divine Most High. You learn to pick your battles wisely. And you also learn to trust your intuition because you believe that there are things in our lives that our mind couldn't explain. Others of you, you are no longer engaging with this group of people anymore. You cut off the ties. And now they are feeling defeated by you. Because whatever they did to you in the past, you look, the Eight of Swords plus the Five of Swords, you have gone through in your life. There are lots of people. I never see all. You look, Eight of Swords and Five of Swords. There are lots of people in the past and at present who couldn't accept the new you because you already transformed. They want to hinder your new beginning by blocking your third eye chakra and engaging you with this conflict and drama. In order for you to lower your vibes, this group of people are slandering your name, gossiping about you, spreading lies and rumors about you as well. They are betraying you, they are backstabbing you. And for some of these people, they are mad and they want to attack you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Because they said, how dare you, Scorpio, to transform? How dare you, Scorpio, that we did everything for you, to destroy you? How dare you that you escape our tactics, our manipulation and trickery? And that's why, for some of these people, they want to attack you. You look. The universe advises you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to surrender your battles if you are still in the energy of these people. Because I feel like in the past, They tried to sabotage you. For some of these people, they are engaging you in a bullying. Could also be that these are the people in your workplace. This group of people could be as well in your family, your friend circle, your ex, or in the community, for instance, your neighbors. And now, you are no longer dealing with them anymore. They are feeling defeated because you become wiser and stronger day by day. It's because you have learned your lesson, and this is your spiritual lesson. Whatever burdens you had, you are advised to surrender it to the Divine Most High, and you will have a clean victory. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the past, the Knight of Wells, which is the Knight of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Capricorn or an Aquarius. This is the card before. It could be that this person in the past or this person now wants to attack you because they are feeling defeated. You are no longer engaging with their drama and conflict anymore, because you are focusing on your stability. You don't care if they are jealous on you. You are no longer engaging your energy because you have learned your lesson. You focus your stability, your financial success and abundance, and you are continuing what you have started. Could also be that this is a creativity and investment or a business venture. You are very practical. You have courage and perseverance to continue further what you have started, because you believe that it will land you to a financial success and stability, slowly but surely, because this is the Knight of Pentacles. If this is somebody in your life, this person wants to approach you. This person could be working their financial stability. And if they are stable, they want to offer you a stability. This person could be a young person, could also be an adult, but having a young at heart. This person could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. This person will approach you slowly but surely to offer you a stable offer. For most of you, this is your energy. You are focusing your stability instead of engaging with these low vibes, narcissists, toxic haters. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here, you look, the Six of Wands. This is the past. You are continuing what you have started. And now, you are going to harvest the fruits of your labor because you are already recognized. There is recognition and success. The Six of Wands. For some of you, you have lots of well-wishers. This is a like-minded people. Not all people hate you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You have gone through. There are lots of people in the past who tried to destroy you, but they failed because you managed to transform, to leave them behind, to give death with the situation. And because you continue what you have started in the past, the Knight of Pentacles, now, this is the present, you will have a recognition. For some of you, you already have. This is success and recognition. There are people as well who wants to see you win. These are the like-minded people, not the haters, not the frenemies. And I feel like for some of you guys, you already recognize with your skills, your talents, or whatever you have done in the past. The fruits of your labors are now in the present situation. This is a time to harvest. You look, to claim what belongs to you. The death. A powerful new beginning. And I feel like this is the era that you can prove to the people that whatever they believe, they have a negative thoughts on you in the past. They told you, Scorpio, you can't do that, you can't do this. And now you prove them wrong because you are already recognized by the people who are the like-minded people. You have lots of well-wishers. There is success and recognition here. I don't know what is the nature of your job. And I feel like this person who embodied the energy of a Leo, because this is the 6 of Wands, could be that you are dealing with a Leo or you have a Leo in your birth chart. They are feeling defeated. Includes Aquarius, Gemini, a fellow Scorpio, and a Capricorn. They are now feeling defeated because you have success and recognition. If you have a platform in your social media, your subscribers are increasing because there are lots of people who wants to see you win. You are already recognized by the people. But remember, not all people are happy with your success. As I have told you, there are lots of frenemies, haters who pretend that they are your allies, but they are mad. You look, they want to attack you. But who cares? You have success and recognition. This is the present energy. Congratulations to all of you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? Yes, let's celebrate. And now, the future is the 5 of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be a group of people. Includes an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Because you have success and recognition. This is the previous card before the 5 of Pentacles. Now they are feeling left out in the cold by you. Because you outshine them. The people recognize you. You have success and recognition. You have also lots of well-wishers. And you look at these people in the past who wants to destroy you, who wants to take everything from you, who are praying for your downfall. This group of people could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community, for instance, your neighbors. Because in the past, they tried to destroy you, to trap you, to blindfold you, to isolate you. They never see your worth. You look, they involve you as well in bullying, in drama, and in conflict. And now, you look at the face of this person. So mad because they are feeling defeated. You are no longer engaging with your energy anymore. And I feel like these are the feelings of the people now who wants to take your job, who wants to take your money, to take your house, everything, to suck everything from you and to leave you cold like a vampire victim. Yeah. This group of people in the past are the people, for most of these people, you supported them, especially financial matters. You also supported them at work because you are a very generous, kind, and compassionate person, and they are taking you for granted in the past. They treat your kindness as your weakness. And now, You are no longer engaging with them anymore. You have success and recognition. They felt that you outshined them. They are feeling left out and cold by you. They are feeling abandoned. For some of you guys, if this is your energy, the universe advises you to eradicate this poverty consciousness. The truth is you are enough. You are not alone. Your divine angels and divine ancestors and the divine Most High protecting you. You couldn't see them, but you can feel them. All you need to do is to reach out, to ask for help. You are not alone if this is your energy. You look, I don't feel that this is your energy because you have her success and recognition. For some of you, maybe you are experiencing a temporary financial loss, but it won't last longer. You look, you have success and recognition. For most of you, these are the feelings of the people in the past who prayed for your downfall, and now they couldn't believe that you transform into a higher level to give depth to all the drama and conflicts. And now they are feeling left out and cold by you. And we have here the moon. This is your attitude. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are moving secretly. You didn't tell somebody else that, oh, I already moved on. You keep your movements silently because you don't like people who are intervening your life once again, who wants to isolate you again, who wants to gossips and slandered your name once again. And that's why you are moving silently. This is your attitude. It could also be that this person believed that you are doing shady in the dark. I don't know who is this person. Could be either a Pisces or a Cancer. Or you have a Pisces or a Cancer in your birth chart. For some of you, not necessary. Because this person now, sorry. This person now viewed you that you are doing secretly behind the scene, that you are doing shady. This is the feelings of people, especially when you ended the connection because they are so nosy, they want to know everything about you, and they will gossip to other people and everything, and they want to engage you in conflict because they are jealous and envy with your improvements, with your glowing, and that's why you move silently. You keep your ideas silently. Whatever you did, you are moving silently. Silence is golden, and that's why they hate it. You look, the Five of Swords, because they couldn't intervene what you are doing in the dark, because they viewed you as a very mysterious, secretive. You know why? Because they have no access in your life. You look, you are no longer engaging with them anymore. They couldn't isolate you again because you have learned your lesson. And this is your attitude. I feel like there are lots of people who are or having fear towards on you because you recognize here and you have success as well, and you did it silently. For some of these people, they are confused. Could also be that this person, I don't think that, maybe they are keeping secrets on you. Could also be that this person wants to reveal their feelings towards on you, but they have fear to tell this to you because they couldn't believe, they are confused. how Scorpio did that, how Scorpio can transform silently. And you look, you cut off the communication of this group of people because you move in silence towards victory and success. This is your attitude. Could be that you are dealing with either Pisces or Cancer. And this person now having fear on you because they viewed you as secretive and mysterious. Take only what fits in your story. We have here the Five of Wands as the outside influence. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be a group of people in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. For most of you, this is related in your work. You have lots of competition, rivalry. You don't want to fight because you knew your worth. You are only defending yourself. You don't want to compete, because you knew your worth, but they're competing on you. There are lots of people as well that competing your attention because you have success and recognition, the Six of Wands. And there are lots of people are still competing on you because they are jealous of your aura, of your confidence, and of your passion. They want to put you in drama and in conflict. But I feel like you are not competing with them anymore. For what? You have success and recognition. They are jealous and envy on you. How you did it. How dare you, Scorpio? How you have success and recognition without our knowledge. That's why they are mad, because they are feeling defeated. They couldn't put you in stagnation because they believe that you are nothing, you are gullible, you cannot work, you have no worth. These are the people who are jealous and envy with your aura, with your magnetic aura and your passion. Could be that you are dealing with a Leo or a group of people, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Remember, there are lots of people who are still competing on you. The universe advises you here to protect your energy because lots of people wants to harvest your energy, to lower your vibes and to dim your lights because you have success and recognition. Take only what fits in your story. This is the outside influence. And your hopes and fears is the Four of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer or a fellow water sign. Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Somebody here is clinging in your energy. This person is feeling rejected by you. This person feel empty, miss the opportunity with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because I feel like this person is one of this group of people who are competing on you, who are jealous and mad on you. Either you are dealing with a Leo or a Cancer, because normally the Four of Cups is embodied the energy of a Cancer. And now, they are feeling sad because they missed the opportunity to have you. They are feeling rejected by you. If this is your energy, the universe advises you to turn around. This is only a temporary scenario in your life. And you have lots of potential to change the negative feelings and emotions into a positive one. You should not cry over a spilled milk. It is wasted and cannot be regained. But for most of you, I don't feel that this is your feelings. These are the feelings of the person in the past who tried to isolate you, who put you in drama and conflict, who are bullying you, slandered your name, spreading lies and rumors about you. And now, they missed the opportunity. It could also be that this person wants to offer you a cup of love. And this person viewed you that you refuse to accept their offers. And that's why this is your challenge. This is your hopes and fears in this reading. Take only what fits in your story. And we have here the outcome is the Page of Wands, which is the Page of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Or you have an earth sign in your birth chart, could be. For most of you, this is your energy. You are bold. You have courage and perseverance. You are very practical and ambitious. And you want to take an action with this golden opportunity. Could be a creativity and investment or a business venture. Because you believe that you have a potential and possibilities to succeed. And now, you are taking an action. You believe as well that if you are going to nurture this investment, business venture, golden opportunity, or creativity, it will lead you to a financial success and stability. And this is the outcome because you did your work. Here, look. Page of Pentacles and Knight of Pentacles. And that's why you have her success and recognition. Because you never cease. You didn't believe what the people told you in the past. Scorpio, you cannot do it. Scorpio, you cannot do that. And this is the outcome. Could also be that somebody will offer this to you. Could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Or you are going to offer this to somebody else. Take only what fits in the story. Okay? And clarify me, please. The Five of Pentacles here. Why the Five of Pentacles in this reading, please? The Five of Pentacles is clarified as fishy, the trimaran. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces. Because this is a Pisces energy. Fishy is a German language which stands for Pisces, the dreamer. This is the clarification of the Five of Pentacles. Either you are dealing with a Pisces or a Taurus. And this person now is feeling left out in the cold by you. Feeling abandoned because you outshine them. They're feeling not enough. Could be a Pisces or a Taurus. And this person is daydreaming about you because for some of you guys, you cut off the ties of this person or group of people because they cause too much pain and burdens in your heart and in your mind. Could also be that they are backstabbing you. They tried to destroy you. They betrayed you. They slander your name. And now it's over. They are feeling left out in the cold by you. Either you are dealing with Pisces or an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. What they can do now is to daydream on you. Because you are no longer connected with them anymore. You give depth. You transform. Take only what fits in your story. Okay? And clarify me, please. Why the death in this reading? Why the death here, please? The death is clarified as 9th house. Learning and believing. This is the clarification of the death. Could be that you are dealing with either a fellow Scorpio, the low vibes, and or Sagittarius. Because the 9th house is embodied the energy of a Sagittarius. You have learned your lesson. Learning is learning. And glauben is believing. It could also be that this person wants to communicate with you. Because you are no longer dealing with them anymore. He wants to tell you He wants to communicate with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to believe that, oh, Scorpio, I never do that, I never do this. This person or group of people are now learning their lessons, but they refuse to accept it. Instead, they want to attack you. They are still spreading lies and rumors about you because they couldn't believe that you left them behind. Could be that you are dealing with either a fellow Scorpio or a Sagittarius. Take only what fits in your story. There are lots of energy here involved. Clarify me, please, the 5 of Wands. Saturn. Grenzen on Lektion. This is a German language astro cards, which means Saturn. Boundaries and lesson. You look, and this is correct. You look, the 5 of Wands is competition. You give boundaries and lesson to this person because for some of you, you have learned your lesson in the past, and that's why you give blockage, borders with this group of people in the past. It could also be that they are still not only in the past, because there are still people. This is the outside influence. But for most of you, I feel like you have learned your lesson, and that's why you manage to defend yourself. You don't want to fight, you don't want to compete because you knew who you are. You have success and recognition, but they are still fighting and competing on you. This is related to your work. Yeah. Saturn is related to your career. Yeah. It could be that you are dealing with either an Aquarius or a Capricorn as well. Because Saturn is one of the ruling planets of an Aquarius and a ruling planet of a Capricorn or a Leo. These are the people who are competing on you. Either Leo, Capricorn, or Aquarius involved in this competition. But you are not competing them. You knew your worth. You are only defending yourself. You already have success and recognition. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, why the 5 of Swords in this reading. The 5 of Swords is clarified as Waage. The Schönheits, the beauty. The Schönheitsdigi is the Waage is a Libra. I'm sorry guys, this is a German language. And this is the clarification of the 5 of Swords. Could be that you are dealing with either an Aquarius or a Libra, an air sign. This person is now feeling defeated by you. For some of you guys, you receive your justice and they receive also their bad karma for what they have done to you. Yeah, the balance. Could be that you are dealing with an Aquarius or, yeah, an air sign. Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius could be. Take only what fits in your story, and they are now feeling defeated by you because you are no longer engaging your energy to them. Clarify me, please. The 4 of Cups here. Tell me more about the 4 of Cups here, please. The 4 of Cups is clarified as conjunction, Verschmelzung, and on energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer, or a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. This person wants to ask your opinion and their opinions. I mean, this person wants to amend the grudges, to reconsider both of your opinion, to bring it into one, because this is merger and energy. Could be that you are dealing with either a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, and he wants to amend. He wants to say your opinion and their opinions and to bring it back together, to patch it up together in one. It's just like two companies and to make it as one. They want your opinion and their opinion. They want to amend this conflict between you and them. Could be that you are dealing with a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the 8 of Swords here. Why the 8 of Swords in this reading? The 8 of Swords is clarified as Jungfrau, the Alchemistin. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo. Jungfrau is a Virgo. This is a German language astro cards. The Alchemistin is the alchemist. This is the clarification of the 8 of Swords. Either you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or a Virgo. And I feel like this person or group of people are now feeling trapped. They are facing now in a spiritual court, a spiritual judgment, because they tried to isolate you, to trap you, to block your blessings. They tried to block your third eye chakra as well. And that's why this group of people now are in the spiritual court, in a spiritual jail. For some of them, they have a mental anguish. They are feeling isolated and trapped because you managed to alchemize the painful scenario in the past where this group of people created for you. You have gone through, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be that Virgo is one of the reasons why you have too much pain and burdens in your mind and in your heart. This person tried to trap you. This person tried to block your third eye chakra. And now, the table turns. These are their feelings now. They are in the 8 of Swords. They need to answer the spiritual court and the spiritual judgment. They are now in question. Of course, this person or group of people couldn't believe in spirituality because they are low vibes. Could be that you are dealing with a Virgo or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Take only what fits in your story. And let me clarify the 6 of Wands here. Tell me more about the 6 of Wands here, please. The 6 of Wands is clarified as first house, self and identity. You managed to stand in your integrity, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, and that's why you have success and recognition. Could also be that you are dealing with an Aries, or you have an Aries in your birth chart. Could also be that this person is feeling entitled with your success. Either you are dealing with Aries or Leo. 6 of Wands. The first house is an Aries. And you managed to stand up your self-identity despite of what they have done to you in the past, because you did your work. You did your work. You stand in your integrity. And you disengage this group of people. Now you have success and recognition. Could be this person who embodied the energy of either Aries and or Leo is feeling entitled with your success. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share in order to make it grow. I am very thankful and grateful if you do. Thanks again for joining me here. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.